I personally don't agree with global warming, but if it is happening, then it is not all bad news. Let's face it, who wants to suffer that cold white stuff we used to get every winter? Oh, it's absolutely miserable, freezing, unless you want to create an effigy of one of your next door neighbours. If you travel by plane to exotic places, you are helping to change the planet. And in the future, because we all use so much electricity, we'll have to suffer wind turbines. Let's hear what the scientists have to say. Have they got the evidence? Because after all, we've had hot and cold spells alternating over millions of years. In the long hot summer of 1975, the heat was really intense. We had a dry winter and another very, very hot summer in 76. It was so hot that Lola, my polar seal, and I, we just couldn't sleep at night. People thought the Mediterranean conditions in 76 would go on forever. But the great summer of 1976 finally came to an end on the August bank holiday. It rained and rained and rained. There was 3 inches of rain that one weekend at Ross-on-Wye. I don't surrender to global warmists, but hey, if they are correct, I now see a great future for Hereford. Beach games on the Ring Road. Wow! And in High Town, sandcastles. Hereford upon Sea. Now there's a novelty.